Hi, it's Mark here again at jobbersinc.com in Philadelphia, 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. Here we're in the process of putting together from component parts an engine kit for a Waukesha VRD 220 SA in a versatile 160. We've got lots of other parts putting this together for a customer. Connecting rod, crankshaft, bearings, gaskets. We have hard to find parts for this engine, 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. We have water pumps, injectors. You can rebuild your injector pump. Other component parts. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.